Hey family, it's your man Matt DV. Today we are going to go to 2 Hotdog Trucks. We're gonna go to Tony's Hot Dogs and we're gonna go to JJ's Hot Dogs. But first, I just wanted to give a shout out to Barringer High School alumni. They suggested that I go to Tony's, but we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone and check out JJ's too. Come along for the ride, y'all.
Hey, we're here at Tony's Hot Dogs, located in Newark, New Jersey. Park Ave, Lake Street is the address. It started in 1968, Tony's. Started with Tony's father, made the recipe for the hot onions and the chili. And Tony's father had a push cart, and he was trying to sell hot dogs and it wasn't working for him. So Tony was in Vietnam, came back, and his dad gave him the business. And Tony had a push cart, and he wasn't really making money like that until he came over here to this spot. There's an island over there. I don't know if I got a shot of the little island over there. You see it over there, little island. Yeah. And back in the day, the Branchbrook Park, Barringer High School. They used to allow the kids to leave for lunch. So the kids was to come over here, try his hot dogs, and that's what blew him up. So once the kids ate a hot dog, spreading the word, the truck blew up, and then he bought a truck after the push cart. He bought an orange truck. He had that. Then he bought another truck in 1978. That truck lasted all the way till 2 years ago. They got rid of that truck. So that truck lasted for like 30, 40 years. Original recipe, and the onions are chopped up, handmade. You know.
How about what's the other one?
And the chili.
The cheese. It's the chili and cheese.
There's the chili.
Yeah. But that's you add the cheese to it.
Yeah, the cheese is here. Okay. And the chili is homemade too. They actually get the chopped meat from a butcher.
Casing, that's it. Yeah. What's that big one in there?
That's the sausage. That one's skinless
too.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that sausage is spicy.
Okay.
You know, so yeah.
All right, man. Well, let us check you out. We're about to order a couple. Talk about cold.
Make him say it again.
It clears your sinuses.
Yes,
there you go. That's better.
Let's go with that.
Yeah, it does that.
Anything else?
That's gonna be it, man. Thanks. We appreciate you.
I appreciate you coming by, man.
They take cards, nice. Thank you.
I hope they take cards.
You pulled it out,
cards,
I do have cash though. I got cash.
You don't even know.
I got cash.
What's going on, man?
I'm shooting you.
Do a camera shot.
You all good?
Yeah, we good.
Yeah. I ain't pressing it. All right, man. Take it easy. We're gonna go check it out.
Tony's Hot Dogs, Newark, New Jersey. Best around, baby. Good.
Okay. What's going on, family? We over here off of Park Ave in Newark, New Jersey. We're actually in Branchbrook Park. I know we're on the bridge. This is a county road. We are in Branchbrook Park. Right over here, as you saw, we were at Tony's Hot Dogs. Tony's is very famous. It's nationally known because they've won awards all over America. So right now, I'm gonna try their chili cheese. Y'all know I was vegan. I don't even eat meat at home. Isn't that funny? But I'm gonna eat this hot dog. I know all my vegan friends like, no, don't do it. Can you hold that for me? Can I put this in your bag?
Sure, yeah. That'll be a cut.
Yo, so look, let's check it out, y'all. This is the chili cheese. Oh, wow. See, it's those type of hot dogs, man, with the skin on them. You know, right there. That's those type of hot dogs that you see on the cartoons, that they have links and it's like a long link and they're connected with strings. That's what he meant by those type of hot dogs right there. I'm about to get down. Y'all. I'm not even covering my mouth up. This is one YouTuber. I love that YouTuber. He usually covers his mouth because he didn't want to look like, Anyway, check it out. Anytime food make you dance, you know it's good. When you start rocking and ain't no music, I did like that snap from the skin. And the toppings are delicious. I see some green peppers there, some red peppers. I didn't get the spicy one. It's not too much salt. Sometimes I hate when it's too salty when you get the toppings. But the chili cheese, I'm gonna say is delicious. That's all I got left, y'all, right there. Tony's Hot Dogs. I know people that moved out of town, live in Savannah, Georgia, They live in Chicago, and every time they come back to Newark, New Jersey, they eat some Tony's. Look at that cheese in there. See it? See Branchbrook Park behind me? It's in front of me too. That's the spires back there, newly remodeled spires. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing. I'm trying to get the fucking cheese off my shirt.
Hey, we're JJ's North. Been here since 1971. First, we were on the other side of the street. We've been on this side for about 6 years now, and we're just trying to keep everything going. You know, here to serve the customers, serve the community, and you know, it's family owned. Owner just passed away. The wife took it over,
Oh, wow.
and we're just keeping it. You know, trying to keep it at the same thing. Keep it going. Really, you know, it's us. We're known for our hot onions, hot chili. There's 2 other trucks around here. You know, everybody's just trying to serve everybody else.
What types of hot dogs you serve?
All beef Sabre hot dogs. We got hot onions, hot chili, like I said, sauerkraut, onions, cheese, potatoes, mushrooms. You know,
What's your special with a hot dog?
you can say hook up mayo, ketchup, coleslaw, chili.
What's the best seller?
Say a belly buster, mustard, sauerkraut, onion, chili, and cheese.
Okay, last question. What's the biggest one order you've had?
135.
135. Wow. All right. We're going to figure out what we're going to order here and see how good they are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, what's going on, family? We're at our second hot dog spot of today. We just came from JJ's Hotdog Truck, which is actually about 2 New York blocks. It's only 1 block, but it's the length of like 2 New York blocks from Tony's, okay? And we're still at Branchbrook Park. This is Branchbrook Park behind me. I have the chili and cream cheese with potato sticks. They're not called potato sticks though. What are they called? With sticks. Chili, cream cheese with sticks. That's it right there, y'all. Let me just open it up a little bit for you. See that right there? We about to get down. Same type of hot dog, the hot dog that has the skin on it, that have the casing, you know, so I'm gonna start from this end because that end, I like cream cheese and I never had a cream cheese with my hot dog, but let's test it out, y'all. Here we go. I taste that spiciness. That's really good. That's a good hot dog, y'all. The cream cheese, it goes, the flavor flows with the chili. And the sticks are okay too. I'm gonna be honest, I could have did without the sticks, but the cream cheese chili, oh, that spiciness is good. It's really good. And the hot dog, same type of hot dog, y'all. We're gonna wait for the ambulance. Stop playing games. And it's the same type of hot dog. These are the best hot dogs. Start getting the hot dogs with the casing on them, even at home, because these are very delicious. It's like it, I don't know if it's because of the casing, it holds the flavor in, and that's why they taste so delicious, but it's really good. I'm gonna sit here and eat, y'all. That's all I got for y'all today. We was at Tony's, we was at JJ's, down here at Branchbrook Park in my hometown, Newark, New Jersey. I'll see you at the next one. Matt GG out.